Ready? Alright, so we're here with This or That Sports TV's man of the match, Denzel Washington Mckenzie. First of all, but talk to me about this game, a tough one, a good St. Catherine High School team. How did you find the game today?
A really tough game. We had to fight. I had to fight to go for my team. We work together as one. We really love the team. We fight till the end.
When this game started, what did St. Catherine High School do, to make that game so difficult for Mona today?
Different line. Really, them hard to crack. Strong different line.
Alright, and what was the message from your coach to go out there and break down this team? What was, without giving us too much tactics, what were you guys trying to do?
Stick to the game plan. Continue to play how we play. Relax and play the ball one way or the other. We are going to crack them defense line, and we did.
Alright, as one of the leaders for this team, how does it feel to have the rest of the team and all of these boys look forward to you to win the game? You were the game winner today. You got the go-ahead goal, the first goal of the game. How does it feel to have these boys look up to you?
A really nice feeling, but again, it's my teammate that push me every day so that I can be the player I am right now. Really grateful for them.
Alright, and after you went down to 10 men, we saw that you went to, as one of the players in the back line, sweeping the team. Talk to us about that decision. Did the coach have to tell you, or you just knew that's what you're supposed to do?
I was going to go around there, but he had to tell me. When I first came here, I was a left back, so I have the defense tactics in me. I could have done it, and I went around there and I did it.
Alright, and what's your personal goal for this year's Manning Cup? Would that be to be one of the players of the season, the MVP? What are you looking forward to achieve personally for the rest of the season?
The player of the season.
You're going for it?
Going for it.
Alright, they ride from Denzel Mckenzie. Good game, baller.